Today, the Tiswadi Taluka squad for enforcement of Copta violations has moved out today, and we are covering the area of one side of 18 June Road because we have been receiving complaints from time to time regarding banks, regarding various shops who have not been complying with the law. This law is of 2003, and it is basically to protect the consumers from smokers. So it is required to put a no smoking specific signage as you will see here. I am displaying it here for you. So this is the signage that has to be put for these restaurants, pharmacies, shops where there is a lot of visits by the public, and if the person is selling cigarettes, then he has to display this board also. So the issue here is that we had gone now to the State Bank Treasury branch, and it was very sad to see the attitude of this manager. He made the Mamledar, the squad is led by the Mamledar. He made the Mamledar wait for half an hour. Then he comes, then he's saying, why should I pay? All sorts of things. Anyway, finally, they were forced to pay Chalan also because they have no board in the ATM. Now, we have been receiving complaints because people use the toll-free number and they file complaints. So, in every taluka, such enforcement squads are active, and we are basically keen to see that the consumer is protected from any smoking that is going on in these premises. So this is the purpose of today's enforcement inspection.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.